October begins the season of festivals for almost all of India. Celebrations start with Dussehra, followed by Diwali, Guru Parv, Christmas, New Year, and Sankranti. Winter is also a preferred season for weddings, with thousands of lively wedding processions occupying streets. Synonymous with these public and private celebrations is the bursting of firecrackers, often bought in large quantities and exhausted within few hours. In India, we burn more than 40 recognized and other dangerous forms of firecrackers, one louder than the other, and all of them releasing toxic fumes into dense winter air. The situation worsens with vehicular pollution and smoke from open burning. Calm and cool weather blocks the dispersal of smoke and pollutants, giving rise to stubborn and toxic smog. The green crackers have given a bit of relief to all of us after the banning of the traditional firecrackers. So, what are green crackers? Traditionally, the firecrackers have been made with barium nitrate, antimony, and a range of metals. These metals have been linked to respiratory diseases and even cancer. In October 2018, the Supreme Court allowed bursting of low-emission crackers, relaxing the complete ban issued in 2017. Such green crackers were researched and developed by scientists at CSIR and EERI as per the court's directions. The green crackers have a small shell size as compared to traditional crackers. They are produced using less harmful raw material and have additives which reduce emissions by suppressing dust. The green crackers don't contain banned chemicals such as lithium, arsenic, barium, and lead. They are called safe water releasers (SWAS), safe thermite crackers (STAR), and safe minimal aluminium crackers (SAFAL). The green sparklers use 32% of potassium nitrate, 40% aluminium powder, 11% aluminium chips, and 17% proprietary additives to reduce the particulate matter PM10 and PM2.5 to 30%. Similarly, a new formulation of bomb named SWAS or Safe Water Releaser uses 72% of proprietary additive, 16% potassium nitrate oxidizer, 9% aluminium powder, and 3% sulfur to reduce PM10 to PM2.5. The green crackers release water vapor and don't allow the dust particles to rise. They are designed to have 30% less particulate matter pollution. Let's now check out the reality of the conventional firecrackers. As we can see in the report, the initial ingredient of the conventional firecracker is charcoal, potassium nitrate, and sulfur, which are used as a black powder, which is basically the primary fuel in the cracker. The dust release is hazardous when inhaled, and different compounds formed by them can be carcinogenic. Strontium and lithium, which are used as red coloring agent, are also very toxic. The strontium can replace calcium in the body. It is very toxic, and lithium releases harmful fumes. The orange coloring agent barium can cause respiratory and other health disorders. The oxidizing agents used are nitrates, chlorates, and perchlorates. These compounds can hamper the growth of small children. They remain airborne for days and can be poisonous. With the motto to keep a check on Delhi's air quality, This festive season, firecracker manufacturers in the city are opting for low-emission green crackers that are free from harmful chemicals like barium nitrate and chlorides. These eco-friendly crackers will have a unique logo and QR codes on their boxes along with emission testing details. So the next time you go to buy crackers, don't forget to look for green logo and QR code to ensure a safe pollution-free Diwali and other festivals.